Inbound call statistics provides enhanced business intelligence for BT One Phone customers. It gives the business administrator the ability to analyze in detail how incoming calls are being dealt with. You can see a consolidated view of all incoming calls, whether they be calls to mobile phone numbers or to fixed landline numbers. With the outbound call statistics that are integrated into the BT One Phone portal, an administrator has a complete view of all of their incoming and outgoing call traffic. The inbound call statistics are viewed within the virtual PBX system. The administrator can choose to give access to other users through the Permissions tab of the relevant user profile or user template. The Statistics Permissions option are found in the individual tab. Once the user has been given permission to create and view the inbound call statistics, they will see a new tab on the menu bar when they log into the VPBX BT One Phone portal. From here, administrators can create and complete the report template that will be used when the report is run. Any previously saved template can then be edited at any time. Reports can be run on all the users or just specific individuals. You can also choose the time period that the report should focus on, and whether the report should focus on inbound landlines and/or mobile calls. Lastly, the administrator can then choose whether the report is displayed in HTML or sent in a CSV format. If the report is to be automatically emailed, the administrator can assign which users from the available list should receive the report. The report can be emailed as a single one-off event, or it can be repeated daily, weekly, or monthly. When creating a new statistics report, you must enter a report name in the name field for identification purposes. And the names of existing statistics can also be edited here. Select one of the following options: User, IVR, ACD group, Hunt group, Attendant group. For the group statistics, you can also select to display the values for each group member separately by clicking on the corresponding box. The following formats are available for the time period. Time range. The drop-down list entries from and until define a period by date. You can condense the data into minute or 10-minute intervals. These can trace back values up to 10 days. You can also condense to hour intervals, which can trace back up to 20 days. Day intervals can trace back up to 90 days. When using week intervals, the data can be traced back up to the previous 26 weeks. Finally, month intervals show statistics for 12 months prior to the report creation. Only calls between. You can also select a time interval between 0 hours and 24 hours for the calls that are to be calculated, but the report can only be run for selected time periods of a single day. The following call types are available for users and IVR types. Inbound only. Mobile, all coming calls on the mobile number. Fixed, all coming calls on the fixed line number. Mobile and fixed, all incoming calls on both numbers. Outbound is available when a group option is selected. It provides a very small amount of outbound information on those groups. For instance, if a call comes into a Hunt group and then is overflowed out, that is measured as an outbound call. These statistics are also available for ACD groups, Hunt groups, or Attendant groups. Display format allows you to export the report in the following formats: HTML for direct online display, CSV to process the data in Microsoft Excel, email delivery. You can activate this option if the report is to be sent via an email. First, from the email delivery list, select how often the report is to be sent. Select the users who you want to receive the report. Highlight the users and then click the right arrow. To remove a user from the list, highlight that user and then click the left arrow. When you have completed all the required fields, then you can click OK to save that report template. The saved report can be run on an ad hoc basis by simply clicking on the report icon, or the report will be emailed according to the email delivery options that you have selected. If in the email delivery menu you selected the one-off option, then the report will disappear from the list after it has been sent because it was saved as a one-off report. If you have sent a report using the CSV display format, then the recipient will receive an email with a CSV attachment. IVR reports can be created for all of the different IVR trees used in the IVR, or by selecting from the drop-down list, you can create a report for an individual group. If you are running reports on any of the group types, then the information can be shown for all groups of that type, or individual groups can also be selected. This will show the calls received by the group collectively. If required, you can also split the calls to the group by the group members by selecting the individual members tick box. That completes the introduction to the inbound statistics reports on the portal. Now you can explore and generate reports for yourself. If you need any more information or assistance, please refer to our guides on the BT One Phone help page, or contact the BT One Phone customer services team.